topic, then you get your classwork loading here. Okay, so I'll be sharing the screen right away with you, and we'll be looking at the topic expansion in mathematics, and you'll be given some classwork to do. So expect the board right away. Yeah, on the board I write the topic expansion. Expansion. Yeah, when you see expansion, it simply means you'll be given some brackets and you'll be expected to remove the brackets. So instead of saying expansion, you can just call it removing the brackets. Moving the brackets. So removing the brackets in mathematics. Expansion or removing the brackets. So we'll be looking at a couple of examples now so that when you see your own classwork. Examples. Question 1. I have a few questions here. First one is 2 into x plus 2. So I have this. Question 1, I have 2 into x plus 2. This is what I want to expand. Please focus because you'll be giving your own classwork. So stop writing right now. If I see you writing and you have any challenge with the classwork, I will know you have to be held responsible. So this is just to remove the bracket. How do I remove it? I use the number outside to multiply everything in the bracket. What are the things in the bracket? I have x and I have 2. So 2 is multiplying x, it's going to give me 2x. Then there's a positive sign here, I put it. Then 2 is multiplying 2, it's going to be 4. So this is my answer, 2x plus 4 is the answer. That is pretty simple enough. So let's look at another example here. Oh, before I move on, let me explain again. To remove the bracket means you are using the number outside to multiply everything in the bracket. So you're multiplying the first and the second. So when you use 2 to multiply x, you have 2x. Use 2 to multiply 2, you have 4. So, but take note of something. Take note of something before we move on. Whenever you are using anything to multiply anything, just anything to multiply anything. If that thing you are using to multiply is positive, and that other one is also positive, your answer must be positive. Please focus, stop writing. I won't say more than that. So if you are using something to multiply another thing, if the first is positive and the second is negative, your answer must be negative. Then you are using something to multiply another thing. If the first is negative, the second is positive, then your answer must be negative. But if you're using something to multiply another thing, a number to multiply another number, a letter to multiply another letter, if the first is negative, the second is negative, the answer must be positive. So when the signs are the same, you are positive. Plus, plus, give me plus. Minus, minus, give me plus. But when the signs are different, you have negative signs. So plus times minus is minus. Minus times plus is minus. Take note of that. Focus on it. I didn't ask you to write anything down. Just focus. Now let's check this. This 2 is positive times positive x gives us positive 2x. This 2 is also positive times positive 2. That gives us positive 4. Okay, whether you are showing your face or not, you'll be giving your classwork, so it doesn't really matter. Just concentrate. Now, the next question I'm going to look at is here. Next question is 3 into p minus 4. So I have 3 into p minus 4. 3 into p minus 4. But if I'm not seeing your face, I will assume that you're not here, so I'm going to remove it. So take note of that. 3 times p is 3p. Then 3 times -4 is -12. So that is the answer to this one. Pretty simple. Then the third question I'm going to be looking at here. I took my time in the first one to explain so that I don't have to waste time explaining lengthily. Now 2 into 2x plus 1. Next question. 2 into 2x plus 1. Yeah, this now I'm going to just say 2 times 2 is 4, so I have 4x. Then plus 2 times 1 is 2, so I have this. Then let me divide this place so that I can at least have spaces to use here. So here now, I have the next question, which is number 4. So instead of writing, concentrate. That's what I said. So number 4 is 4 into 3n minus 5. So I have 4 into 3n. So 4 into 3n minus 5. So 4 times 3 is 12. So I have 12n. Then minus 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 is the answer. So number 5, I have, you can see this is pretty simple. So let's take note of the simplicity and take note of the explanation. So I have another one, which is 3x into y plus x. 3x into y plus x. So 3x into y plus x. Yeah. So here now I have a letter outside this way. So 3x times y is 3xy. Then 3x times x is 3x squared. You've been taught indices, so you should know the meaning of 3x squared. So 3x squared. So that is the answer to that. I divide the page again so we can move on and solve for the examples. So here, remember we said when we're solving anything on expansion, it means we are removing the brackets. So the next question I want to look at is 5a into, or let me say 3m into 5 minus 2m. 3m into 5 minus 2m. So I have number 6. 3m into 5 minus 2m. If you are busy writing, you're not concentrating, you are on your phone. So 3 times 5 is 15. So I have 15m here. Then 3 times 2 is 6. So I have minus 6m squared. Because of m times m, that is 10. Now the next one is number 7. 7. Look at number 7 question. I have here, say 3a into 2b plus 1. 3a into 2b plus 1. So 3a into 2b plus 1. 3a into 2b. So with that, I have 3a times 2b. That is 3 times 2 is 6. Then I have ab. Then 3a times 1 is 3a. Okay. I have a few more examples to go. Then I will allow you to write down. Then I'll give you your classwork. So the next one I have is 2 into 3a plus b minus 3c. 2 into 3a plus b minus 3c. So 2 into 3a plus b minus 3c. So now, this 2 is just going to multiply everything straight away. So I have 2 into 3a, that's going to be 6a. Then I have 2 times b as 2b. And then I have 2 times 3c as 6c. So that's negative 6c. Number 9. Number 9 example, so we move on. Yeah, I have this one, which is 3 into x plus 2 plus 2 into 2x minus 1. That's a bit long. So 3 into x plus 2, then plus 2 into 3x, 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1. So I have 2x minus 1. So look at this. concentrate. I'm going to give you something like this as well. So concentrate. 3 into x plus 2 plus 2 into 2x plus 1. So 3 is going to multiply the first bracket, 2 is going to multiply the second bracket. So I have for the first bracket 3x plus 6, then plus 2 into this is 4x. 4x plus. This is plus and this is minus. So like I said, plus times minus is minus. So I have to say minus 2. Because 2 times 1 is 2, so it's minus 2. Here now, I can add the 3x and the 4x to give me 7x. 3x, 4x give me 7x. Then 6 minus 2 give me 4. So plus 4. That's your answer to that. It's 4. Okay. Let me give you a few seconds or a few minutes, like 1 minute to write this down. Then we can continue. So write down your work. So even if the video is not going to be made available, I believe you have listened to the explanation, and I believe you've copied down the note. Write down your work now, every one of you, and get ready to do some classwork. So you're going to be given 4 questions. We're given 4 questions in all. So once you're through, I'm going to give you the questions. I'll probably stop one more example to make it 10. So let me explain the first question. So that so just one more example to make that number 10. And as you write down your work. So number 10 now. Number 10. Let me write the question for you here. The question I have for number 10 is 2 into 4b into 1 plus 2b. 4b into 1 plus 2b. 4b into 1 plus 2b. So let's see. I have 4b. 4b into 1 plus 2b. So 4b times 1 is 4b. Then 4 times 2 is 8. And b times b is b squared. So that is the answer to that. Alright, I'll clean the board now and write the questions. So you're going to solve it in 3 minutes. 5 questions, use 3 minutes to solve. You send your answers to WhatsApp. Then we'll look at the correction. Get ready now. So can I clear the screen? Raise your hand if you think I can clear the screen. Just raise a finger. Just raise your hand. So that's okay. Bella, can I clear the screen now? Raise your hand if you think I can clear the screen. Shikemi, I should clear the screen? And Ring, can I clear the screen now? Alright, silence means absence. So I clear all drawings, give you your classwork. The first question here is say you have 3m into 5 is 2m. Have I solved anything like that? Okay, I've solved that. No. So let me look for other questions to give. It's more or less the repetition of questions here. Let's see. Okay, I have this question here. 4 into 2x plus 5. First question. 4 to 2x plus 5. So question 1, that's classwork. Number 1, 4 into 2x plus 5. So you have to expand this. Then number 2, you have you have minus 2 into 3x plus 4 into 3 plus 4x. Minus 2, check that again, minus 2 into 3x plus 4x into 3x plus 4x. Then number 3, 2x into 3x minus 5. 2x into 3x minus 5. Number 4, x plus 3 into x minus 5. And finally, 5. 5, I have 2x plus 3y into 3x minus 4y. Minus 4y, that means. So, that's your classwork. Go ahead and solve everything. And submit your work in the next, let me give you 5 minutes. So 1 minute for one question. In the next 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes is over, the submission must have come in. If it didn't come in, that means you are out of the class for today. One, two, three, four, 5. So there are 5 questions there. Yes, you have 4 minutes on it. Four minutes to go. Now you have 3 minutes to go now.
Mr. Ajibola.
Yes, what is it?
Number 5, is it 2n or 2x?
It's 2x, not 2n. 2x.
Okay, sir.
All right. Let me rewrite this particular 2x. So you have 2 minutes to go, everyone. So let me give you the format in which you have to write your answer and submit. Let me give you the format. Please look at this. Let's assume this is the page of your book where you want to snap. Now the page you want to snap after you must have worked. So I need only your answers here. You're just going to write number 1. If you don't follow that format, your submission will not be regarded. So your answers, you're going to write answers. Just write number 1. Then present your answer, only the answer. And number 2, your answer. Number 3, your answer. Number 4, your answer. And finally, number 5, just write your answer. Then snap the 5 answers like that and submit. You have 1 minute to go. Get ready to submit. By now, I should be seeing your submission so we can proceed today. If you leave the meeting to submit, you have to join back for the correction. So your time is up now. Clearing the screen. Waiting for your submission. That we can go ahead with the we have to move into the correction, so I'm waiting for the submission right now. Okay, I've seen from, I've received submission from Isaiah. I think I've received from Shikemi too. Isaiah is trying to join back. Okay. I received from Bella too. So I received from 3 people. Okay, I'm receiving from Erin right now. Okay. So we'll move up to the correction right away. I think I'll receive your answers. So the first question there is so Bella, what's the first question? Unmute yourself and talk.
Bracket 2x plus 5. 4 into 2x plus 5.
4 to 2x plus 5. Okay, you can mute yourself back. Now, to solve this, just 4 times 2 is 8, so 8x. Then 4 times 5 is 20. So I think you got that overview. Then number 2, Erin, give me the second question. Yes, okay. Erin is still not hearing. Bella, give me the second question. Yes. Unmute yourself, Bella, and talk. What's question 2?
Minus 2 into 3x plus 4x.
3x plus 4x. Is it 4x? Is there 4x in that second one?
Yes, sir.
3x plus 4x. Oh, that should have been 3 plus 4x, not 3x plus 4x. But if you are right, if it is 3x plus 4x, that will be 3x plus 4x. In this case, all you just have to do is to firstly add the x's that are here. You have 3x plus 4x to 7x, then you multiply by minus 2, and your answer is equal to minus 14. But if, let's say, option B, if it happens to be minus 2 into 3 plus 4x, minus 2 into 3 plus 4x, so all you have to do is minus 2 times 3 is minus 6, and minus times plus is minus also, then 2 times 4 is 8x. So this will be the answer. Okay, let me read the page. While she give me the next question. Yes, can you unmute yourself and talk? What's question 3? She's not hearing, or what? She tell me yes, I'm waiting. Sit up and talk. Okay, there's no time to waste. Unmute yourself, Bella, and give me the third question, please.
2x into 3x minus 5.
2x into 3x minus 5. Okay, mute yourself back. So this is 2 times 3 is 6, and x squared there. Then 2 times 5 is 10, it's x, and minus 10x. So what's number 4 question? Erin, can you hear now? Are you ready to give the question? If not, okay, Fisayo, give me the 4th question. Fisayo, unmute yourself and talk. If you can hear me.
Sir?
4th question. Give me the number 4 question.
X plus 3.
X plus 3.
X plus 5. X plus 3. X minus 5.
X minus
Yes,
5.
sir.
Not okay. So x plus 3, x minus 5. Oh, you can mute yourself back. So x times x is x squared here. Firstly, use this to multiply this. Then use the x to multiply 5. That is minus 5x. Then you use this to multiply this, that is plus 3x, plus 3x. Then you use the 3 to multiply the 5, that is minus 15. So here now I have x squared, negative 5x, positive 3x gives me minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, so minus 2x, then minus 15. So that is the answer to that. And the last one, but not the least, Erin, are you there now? Can you give me the last question? She's not hearing me or what? Erin, can you give me the last question? Okay, Fisayo, over to you. Give me number 5 question.
2x plus 3y. 3x minus 4y.
Wait a minute. Please hold on. Now go ahead. Number 5.
2x plus 3y.
Yes.
3x minus 4y.
3x
minus 4y.
Minus 4y. Okay, there's no minus outside here.
Yes, sir.
So let me remove that minus. And let's solve that and end the class for today. So this is multiplying this. That is 6x squared. And the same thing is multiplying this. That is 8xy. So minus 8xy. Then this is multiplying this. That is 9xy. plus 9xy. Then this is multiplying, that is 12y squared minus 12y squared. It's 12y squared. And this is going to be 6x squared. Negative 8 positive 9 is positive 1. So plus 1xy and minus 12y squared. So that is the correction. So check your work, check where you have missed anyone, and correct yourself. So we end the class today by saying goodbye.